Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. In our website onlinemathforall.com, students can find video tutorials like this, which will be much useful for them to prepare for competitive exams like GMAT, GRE, CAT, and more. Okay, this video is about time and work problems. Here I am going to show you how to solve problems on time and work. Here we have a problem on the board, that is capital A can complete a work in 12 days and capital B can complete the same work in 6 days. In how many days should it take both A and B working together to complete the same work? So we have two information in the question. So the first information is, so the first person, capital A, can complete a particular work in 12 days and capital B can complete the same work in 6 days. That is, they are going to work alone. If A works alone, he is able to complete the work in 12 days. If B works alone, he can complete the work he can complete the same work in 6 days. In case they are going to work together, A and B, so how many days will it be taken by them to complete the same work? So that is a question. Okay, I'll show you how to solve this one. So number of days to complete the work, A and B are going to work together. So the trick we are going to apply to solve this problem is a simple formula, that is m times n over m positive n. So this is the answer for our question, number of days taken to complete the work where A and B are working together. Here the students may have a question, what does m stand for, what does n stand for? Where do we get this m, where do we get n? Here m stands for the number of days taken by the first person to complete the work alone, and n stands for number of days taken by the second person to complete the work alone. So in our problem, m stands for number of days taken by A to complete the work and n stands for number of days taken by B to complete the same work. So to find number of days taken by both A and B working together, so the formula is equal to mn over m positive n. So now it's very clear. The value of m is 12 days because m stands for number of days taken by A, so m is equal to 12, and n stands for number of days taken by B, so n is equal to 6. So now we have to plug m is equal to 12 and n is equal to 6 in this formula, and then we have to simplify, then we'll get the answer. Okay, I'll show you here. So m is equal to 12 times the value of n is 6 over 12 positive 6 is equal to 12 times 6 over 12 positive 6 will be 18. So we can simplify. 1 times 6 will be 1 and 3 times 6 will be 18. 1 times 3 is 3 and 4 times 3 is 12. So number of days taken by A and B working together to complete the same work will be 4 days. So answer is equal to 4 days. That is A and B going to work together, so they can complete the work in 4 days. So students, it's very simple to solve this kind of problems on time and work. So two persons are there. So if the first person A completes the work in 12 days and B completes the same work in 6 days, we just have to find the number of days taken by both A and B working together to complete the same work. We just have to apply the simple formula, that is mn over m positive n. Here m stands for number of days taken by the first person, n stands for number of days taken by the second person. So to find the number of days taken by both A and B working together, so the formula is mn over m positive n. So here m is equal to 12 days because m stands for, in this particular problem, m stands for number of days taken by A, so m is equal to 12, and n stands for number of days taken by B, so n is equal to 6. So I plug m is equal to 12 and n is equal to 6 in the formula mn over m positive n. So we just have to simplify, then we get the answer 4 days. So whenever you want to find the number of days taken by two persons working together to complete the same work, this is the formula you have to apply. In the question it will be given how many days taken by the first person to complete the work, how many days taken by the second person to complete the work. So all those information will be given in the question. So from those information you have to get the value of m and n, and you have to apply the formula mn over m positive n to find the number of days to complete the work where the two persons working together. So just have to apply the values and simplify and you'll get the answer. So this is the only trick what we have in this problem is the formula mn over m positive 1. I hope the students can understand how to solve this kind of problems on time and work. Okay students, for more videos like this please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.